Hey guys, so we have our Misfit box. I didn't do my last one because I was annoyed. So we've got some romaine hearts that were smashed by the cold pack. We have in this weird feeling bag. It feels like a rubber band. This is broccoli. I got the florets because it's actually more economical to buy the florets than it is to buy the organic heads of broccoli. And these look really nice. So there's our broccoli florets. Got lots of ice packs when it's freezing cold. We got some organic southwestern cheddar mac and freak. I don't even know what that means, but we'll give it a try. It was cheap. I got a artichoke. We got sweet potatoes that I just threw everywhere. I got 2 heads of garlic. I got a 3-pound bag of organic onions. There's tearless and sweet. Didn't even know that was a thing. I got some avocados, and these will be cut up and put in the freezer. I got some tomatoes. Box is smashed, but they look to be in good shape. I got some lavish bread. These are good for wraps or pizzas. So if you want to make a quick and easy pizza or a wrap, those are great. And they're really fresh when they come. I got some Salsa Verde. And I will put the link down below where you can save $15. For some reason they changed it to 10 and now it's back to 15. But you can save $15 on your first order. I am not affiliated. Everybody gets that when they order. I got some red wine vinegar, which is one of my favorite vinegars. It's really good on cabbage if you cook cabbage. I don't like cabbage. That makes it palatable. And spinach, cooked spinach. I got some cottage cheese. I got some organic yogurt. We got some organic eggs, and how these are not broken is beyond me. At least I don't think they're broken. I'll have to look. There's a wet spot there, so there might be one broken egg. We got some pork loin chops, some bacon ends and pieces. I got some Black Forest ham, that's to make pizza for my husband, and some Italian sweet sausage, and that's just because I don't know about you guys, but finding Italian sausage has become impossible. That is it. Like I said, if you want to try Misfit Market, I will put the link down below where you can save $15. You only have to purchase $30 worth of items to get them shipped, so that'll save you half the cost. It's not an auto ship deal, so you're not locked into having to purchase all the time, so if you don't like it, you don't have to do it again. I like that. And so yeah, and did I mention I'm not affiliated, so I don't make anything from it. You'll get a code when you order to share with your friends. So I want to thank the lady that did use the link, and it saved me $10 on my order, so I truly appreciate that. And I hope you all are doing well. I'm going to put this away, and then tonight is going to be a prepper pantry meal, home canned jambalaya, because I was at the cancer center today, so I'm tired. Hubby has a CT tomorrow, so a lot going on, so we can make dinner easy peasy. So I will see you all in the next video. You stay safe, stay healthy, and take care.